Hi, I'm Doreen Spagnolo, Corporate Counsel for the Long Island Board of Realtors.
Hi, I'm Patrick Fife, Associate Corporate Counsel for the Long Island Board of Realtors.
First, we would like to wish everyone well and hope you and your family are staying safe and healthy. We'd like to speak with you about loans that have been made available as part of the federal COVID-19 stimulus relief package. I'll speak a little bit about the Paycheck Protection Program, otherwise known as the PPP, through the Small Business Administration.
And I will speak about the Economic Injury Disaster Loans, also known as EIDL, which is also being offered through the Small Business Administration.
When Congress passed the CARES Act, they included significant provisions to help small businesses during this difficult time. One program is through the SBA, Small Business Administration, Paycheck Protection Program, which permits banks and other lending institutions to provide small business loans, which can help realtors. The businesses eligible for the loan include businesses with less than 500 employees, including independent contractors, nonprofits, sole proprietorships, self-employed individuals, and independent contractors. The reason for the loan is to keep the workforce employed by making money available for payroll. Therefore, the loan is to be used only to pay for payroll costs of up to $100,000 per employee and sole proprietor, rent, utilities, and mortgage interest. The details of the loan include a partial loan forgiveness if the money is spent on payroll, rent, utilities, mortgage interest for any 8-week period during the time of February 15th, 2020 to June 30th, 2020. The loan payments will be deferred for the first 6 months. The maximum amount that you could borrow is $10 million, and the interest rate cannot be higher than 4%. You'll have 10 years to repay the loan, and you don't need collateral or a personal guarantee. There are no lender or borrower fees either. To apply for the loan, go to a participating SBA lender, bank, or credit union. Small business and sole proprietors can file April 3rd, 2020. Independent contractors and self-employed individuals can begin to file on April 10th, 2020. We recommend that you file as soon as you can because there's a fund cap. An SBA official publicly announced that you should apply for the loan even if you think you will not need the money, since it's likely it'll take longer than a month to receive the funds, and things may be different at that point. And ultimately, if you decline the funds, there's no penalty. The details of the loan requirements and guidelines are complicated. We recommend you speak with your attorney or lender for more specific details and information. You can also contact your local Small Business Development Center for more information and guidance. I'll turn it over to Patrick now.
Thanks, Doreen. I'm going to now talk about the EIDL loan program, which, unlike the PPP, is a direct loan from the SBA. The EIDL program is already available for businesses, and the real benefit here is the program includes an immediate grant of $10,000 to applicants. The SBA will provide a $10,000 advance upon application once eligibility for the loan has been verified. The advance may be available even if your application is declined or still pending, and it will be forgiven. So in effect, it's a $10,000 free grant to those who apply. There is also no fee to apply for this program, and if a business is approved for a loan and declines it, there is also no penalty. Many types of businesses are eligible for the EIDL loan program. All qualified small businesses under the SBA, independent contractors, and sole proprietorships are included. Given the broad scope of who is eligible for this loan, many realtors should be eligible for the program. The loans can be reused for a variety of things, including working capital, inventory, equipment purchases, real estate payments, and other operating expenses that can't be paid as a result of the pandemic's impact. Loans can be repaid for a maximum of 30 years, and the loans can be up to $2 million. Loans that are under $200,000 do not require a personal guarantee, and loans can be made solely upon an applicant's credit score. The interest rate for businesses on these loans is 3.75%. Now, you can apply for both the EIDL loan and the PPP loan program that Doreen had just talked about. Businesses may receive proceeds from both loan programs so long as the proceeds are not used for the same purpose. So for instance, you can use the PPP loan for short-term working capital like employee wages, and then you can use the EIDL loan for more long-term planning such as building renovations and equipment purchases. To apply for the EIDL loan, go to www.sba.gov/disaster. We recommend that you apply for this loan as soon as possible. As I mentioned earlier, this program is already open, so applications have been filed. The $10,000 grant portion of the loan program is expected to be given on a first-come, first-served basis. In addition, these applications may take time to process. It's been reported that even in good times, that the loans can take anywhere from weeks to months to process, and it is expected to take longer given the high volume of applications and some of the glitches that have disturbed the online application process due to the application volume. We want to thank you for listening, and we hope that you remain safe and healthy in the days ahead. Thank you.